that straight line across the bottom. There we go. Hopefully we have enough. If not, we can go back and cut a few more. So again, using our water and our brush, we're going to figure out where our next stripe is going to go. And of course, since we ended on a silver there on this corner, our next stripe is going to be a blue stripe. Now doing the corners is a little different because we're going to actually want to bring this up and make a nice 40-degree or 45-degree angle with it. So when you kind of drape it down like this, if you rub with your finger, you'll see where it joins that other piece. And using your paring knife and lining up with the corner, you just want to cut directly across. And that's going to give you a nice, clean, finished edge. There we go. Now for the smaller stripes, because we're using a bigger brush, sometimes it's easier to position them if you just go ahead and put the water on the back of the small stripes instead of on the tier itself. It's a little hard to do at this weird angle. There we go. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm leaving about the same distance between what will be the silver and the white as the width of my silver stripe. And then I'm just pressing with my knife right into that corner so I get a nice clean cut. And we're just going to repeat that process across our tier.